Welcome back to part 3 of the place value lesson. When we left off, we were talking about how the place value chart is divided into periods of 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Now, when we get to reading and writing numbers, there are three ways to write a number. The first way to write a number, and we're going to use the number 467,882. So when we read a number, reread it from left to right, I always stop at the comma by boxing the numbers. So I know that I can only read 467 first. The comma represents thousands because there is only one comma in this number. The period to the right represents 882. So the first way to write a number is in word form. So when we write a number, we write it the way we say it and hear it. So we break it down into periods to help us write it correctly. So the first period was 467,000. Word form uses only math number words. Now we read the numbers in the ones period. 882. Once we have read and written both numbers, we put them together, still keeping the comma behind the thousands place. Now, how many times can we write a number? We're writing it 3 times. Second way to write a number is standard form. Standard uses only the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when we write this number in standard form, we can use the place value chart by filling in each digit in its appropriate position. That allows us to see our number using only digits. If you come across a digit that doesn't have a place that doesn't have a digit, we use a 0 to show that we don't have a digit there. Now, the third way to write a number is in expanded form. That is where we write the value of each digit based on where it is in the place value chart. The chart allows us to see our number in its position. So the 4 is in the hundred thousands place. So we know we have 400 with 1,000 at the end. 6 is in the 10,000. So 6 times 10 is 60. 60 with the 1,000 at the end. 7 times 1,000 is 7 with 3 zeros for 1,000. 8 times 100 for 800. 8 times 10 for 80. And 2 times 1 for 1. Now, take the time to compare the 2 8s in this number. The 8 here in the hundreds moves to the tens. When it moves one place, how many times greater will that be? Refer back to video number 2.